Hey guys, it's Rick with BamAquatics here with another video for you guys. Today I've got an unboxing from Isaiah Jenkins. I've been looking for some plecos for a while, and he was willing to send me some. It's a contact I made through my YouTube channel, so it was good to get these from him. So let's take a look at that and see what we got. Alright, it's packed nice here. It has the styrofoam inside, made a little cooler. Heat pack here on top, nice and warm. Inside there it has this bag for insulation. This is the first time I've had a bag like this inside a cooler before. Alright. You can see that or not. There's a bristlenose pleco inside the bag. There he is, an albino. So there's one. And in this bag, I have two little guys in here. Well, there are three bristlenose plecos I got. They're albino, blue-eyed, bristlenose plecos. So I'm going to open them up, and we're going to get them in the specimen container, and we're going to see what they look like. First, let's check their temperature. Yeah, they've been in the house for a little while. They're at 70.5, so they're at a pretty good temperature, so that's good. Alright, so we're going to open these up. Looks like they're double bagged, so I'm going to try to open one bag without opening the other bag. So let me see if I can accomplish that. And the container here was nice and dry, by the way. So let's take this out of this bag. It's hard to get these out because they're alright. Get down there, gal. Alright, you can see them a little bit better in that picture, but once we get them in the container, it'll be a whole lot better. Come on there, guy. Alright. There's one. It's a beautiful pleco. So I'm going to pour some of this water out, and we're going to get the other two out. Get this open here. Alright, you can see these two are doing good as well. So now we're going to open this bag up and get these guys in the container. Then we'll take a look at them because we can get a much better look at them once we get them out of here. Alright, I'm going to net these guys out now. Alright, so now we can see them a whole lot better. So we're going to let these guys acclimate just a little bit more, and then we're going to put them in the tank. We'll come back and show you guys. Here they are in the specimen container. They're just acclimating in the tank. I went ahead and put them in the tank they were going to be in. You can see they're beautiful albino blue-eyed plecos. Bristlenose plecos. So after we let them acclimate a little bit more, we're going to let these guys go in the tank and get in their new surroundings. Angelfish are kind of checking them out. This is the tank that we're going in. So we'll come back and check this out in a few minutes, guys. Here are these bristlenose plecos. Back in the back of the tank, they're kind of lined up like little soldiers back there. Dropped a algae wafer in there and it kind of floated back towards the back of the tank, so that's kind of part of the reason they're hanging out back there. But they're beautiful, healthy, doing fine. Just doing what plecos do. Just kind of hanging out, skirting around, eating up what they can find. One of them's a little more shy. He went back in between the, back on the filter. He likes to kind of hang out back there. That's kind of become his little spot. So anyway, just kind of wanted to give you a little update on these guys once they were in their tank. So they're doing good. Got to get that back down. Got uprooted there. They're doing good.